The president of the Butcher Association of Meghalaya, Ezron Marwan, today submitted a memorandum to East Khasi Hill District Deputy Commissioner R.M. Kurba, raising concerns over illegal cattle markets mushrooming in the district. Marwan informed that numerous unregistered markets are operating, particularly around Latlingkot and Milim, facilitating illegal cattle transfer to Bangladesh. The Butcher Association of Meghalaya urged the Deputy Commissioner to address this issue promptly and take action against these illegal markets according to the law.
Jingwan ikandu kadang ikandu edisi nama ide di Chairman jong District Animal Market Monitoring Committee. Takadang ibu jing tho kemat jong I ba inpek perman ikini bala dan kanu ka jaka ka ba ni ka yo jing ethiet jing ede masi ba empat ya lang ba ni ka Animal Market Monitoring Committee ken siam ya kata ka lenti ke senjam bakin le ka kum kabor ka aim hak bande penduk pendam ne wan bat ban sis ya ki maru.
The VP